My name's Stroud. I'm an undergraduate apprentice working for Airbus. I've always been interested in maths and physics, and living locally I always knew about the impact Airbus and other engineering companies have on the local industry. Well, you need to be willing to do a lot of work. You need to be willing to put the hours in outside of work to get your degree done. You need to have good teamwork and communication skills. The main benefit is that you come up with a degree, no debt, and all the experience that employers are looking for. So it's a lot of work, but at the end of the day, it's a win-win situation.
My name is Gosia. I'm an undergraduate apprentice working for Airbus. Airbus Apprenticeship offers young people to do different placements around the business, so you can learn different skills. I'm doing 3-month placements around the business, learning about to become design engineer, stress engineer or fatigue and damage tolerance engineer. So I love numbers, so when I did my fatigue and damage tolerance placement, it really appealed to me. A bit complicated, but whatever is not easy, it's always challenging. You can't get bored with this. It's a really intensive course, but at the end of the day, it pays off. You need to be open to new challenges. Don't be scared of taking new challenges. Be creative as well, because there are different problems during your scheme that you need to overcome. So you need to be creative how to deal with them.
My name's I'm an undergraduate apprentice in my second year at Airbus. I always knew that I wanted to be within the aerospace field. That was always a certain almost, but I wasn't sure really on the routes. And then I had a school trip to the Airbus site within my second year of A-levels. And after seeing what they do at Bristol, the engineering, the planes up close, you kind of get an idea of what you could be involved in. And especially through an apprenticeship, it's a case of the experience that you get. Some of that experience uni just can't really equal, I think. If I could come to work all the time, I would, because it's kind of almost a dream work almost. Sometimes you learn stuff at uni and then you apply it within the next few days. I don't think you could get any closer, especially with an Airbus.
My name's Bradley Hackett. I'm doing an advanced apprenticeship in telecommunications for BT Openreach. I got made redundant from a previous job after 10 years and I decided to do a completely different type of work. So I had a look online and found the apprenticeship with BT, applied for it and got accepted into the Access Operations Centre in Bristol. I look after the fibre network, so all the super fast broadband that's been put in across the country. We're responsible for maintaining and fixing faults on the network. I've learned absolutely loads. Coming in as an apprentice, I didn't know anything about telecommunications, so I've had to start from the beginning. I'm still learning lots and lots every day, but it's been really good so far. Technology is moving so fast, we do have to make sure we're up to date and we learn things quickly to keep up with demand. There's always something new to learn.
My name's Tina Hayden-Williams and I'm a third-year bus mechanic at First. From a young age I've always been interested in how things work, like cars and stuff, and I grew up kind of near a farm, so I was into like the big machinery and that, and I just sort of knew, very hands-on sort of person, and I always knew that was what I wanted to do. And I got into the bus industry. You have to be passionate about what you do. If you're not interested, you're not going to want to grow and go far, and also have a bit of drive. You can sort of explore what else I can do.